Frame.io tutorial. Frame.io how to use. In this video, we are going to be talking about an incredible platform known as Frame.io, and this platform is to elevate your creative workflow to an art form. Now, what you can basically do is you can manage all of your media assets in one place. So as you can see, just like this, you're going to add all of your media assets in one place. You can manage all of them as you go on, crop them, detail them. You can also add in your very own workspace members in this space and get recommendations from them and so on more. Obviously, if you run a media firm or if you run a YouTube channel, any type of media enterprise, this platform is amazing for you because you can remove blockers to create and deliver much faster. So it's an all-in-one multitasking editing platform where you can retouch, color, socialize, and I'll do a whole lot more for your video. So you can organize everything with flexible metadata, which lets you tag, sort, group, and navigate assets by assigning due date, status, and more to meet your team's needs. You can also connect everyone in one space with secure centralized communications that follow the work, eliminating silos by connecting assets to every role from planning to delivery. And then finally, you can tame the chaos, which leverages the popular project templates for video production, social media marketing, and more to bring instant clarity and order to your process. Pretty fun and generally pretty good stuff to have in front of you where you can upload, organize, and share files, projects. Okay, it's pretty great stuff. And to obviously start off with it, you can start off with a free trial. It's Adobe's very own platform. Now, there's the free plan, the pro plan, team plan, and enterprise plan. Now, currently, I'm going to be signing up with the free plan, but you can go with the upper plans if you want to because they are pretty fun to work along with. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my email. And once we've added our email, here it says sign up to get started. So, you're going to add in your name and you are going to go ahead and add in your password. So once I have filled in my whole password from here, what we're going to do is we're going to click on sign up. Now, once you click on sign up, it's going to basically take you through Frame.io and give you the necessary details and onboarding belongings that you need. So what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to wait for it to send my verification code. And once you receive your security code in your email, what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to add it right here. Now, I have received my, which says 205477. So once we've added this, what it's going to do is it's going to verify and confirm you straight into the main portal. So it's going to take you through the onboarding into the dashboard that will give you the main ideas of how you're going to work along with it. So here it says, welcome to version 4. There's so much new to explore. Create a new project from the templates you have to get started. Now, over here, we're going to click on new project and we have all these things over here. So you can start from scratch. Then you have digital video production templates, location scouting, casting and auditions, prop inventory, and a whole lot more to see from. Now, let's say I want to go with digital video production. Now, it tells you that it has 4 fields, 3 collections, 3 folders. So we're going to click on create new project. And once you click on create new project, it's going to open up your project over here. Now, to obviously access it, you're going to click it and it's going to take you straight into your main project over here. So this is your main project. Okay. You have the footage, you have the infographics, and you have the sound effects. Now, these 3 files are going to differentiate what's going on in your main project file. So it's just like a project management platform, but for video and footages. So over here, as you can see, this person says that this video needs revision. Release platform is on Facebook. Okay, so to actually see what revision it needs, you can go ahead and download it, give it as much revisions as you need, and then upload it back here. And obviously, this is good if you run a proper TikTok firm or you have clients that want you to run their TikTok firm. You're just going to compile their work over here, let them know what's going on, and just run a proper test for yourself. So it's a pretty fun platform once you get the hang of it, and you can use it for any types of media related businesses you have. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward, and that's the main idea of Frame.io. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great and amazing day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.